Okay, so this is canva.com, and this is basically what it looks like. There are two different accounts that you can have. You can have a pro account, which I have, it's paid. And then there's also a free account. Now, as you can see, there's many different things that you can do. There's templates. That's basically how you can get started very quickly on how to do templates. Here, Canva basically has different things that you can sections that you can do your videos or your post. There's documents, there's whiteboards, there's presentations, social media posts, videos, print projects, websites. There's so much things that you can do with Canva. And the good thing is that everything is customizable. Now, basically, for what we're doing, I'm just going to do something basic. We mainly do social media. And since we're about travel, what you can do is you could put travel. You can either start with the travel, or you can look here how it tells you a couple different things. We'll do travel, and it'll give you a whole bunch of different templates that are customizable. Now, as a free user, you cannot use the ones that have pro here. It has like a little crown. Those are the ones you cannot use. So since I'm not sure if everybody is a pro user, we're going to do something simple, and we're going to use this one. Let's do this one. Customize this template. Now, on this template here, there's different layers, of course. There's different elements, different, things that you can do and customize. These pictures, you can keep them, you can move them by just clicking over them, hovering over, and kind of clicking around. You can move it, you can make it smaller by doing that, or you can make it bigger by doing that.
The screen is frozen from what I see. Is it working for everybody else?
Yeah, I was just getting ready to say the same thing.
It's
Okay.
I thought it was just me.
Okay, let me see. Hold on. Let me go back. Got it. Let's see. Stop sharing. Let me try it again. Oops. Oh, I stopped recording, my bad. Hold on. Share. Let's do entire screen. Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Is it still frozen?
No.
Okay, perfect. Sorry about that. Okay,
At least not
so
on my end.
so this is the basic template that we're going to be using. There's words here. You can keep it this way if you like it, but sometimes you want to do something different. You want it to say something different. You see how there's also different text, and each text may have a different font. They're customizable. Let's say you want to change this one. You can hover over. If you can see, there's a purple rectangle around it that's telling me that I'm clicked here. I can double click here. It highlights, and I can put, let's say travel, I don't know, let's put Jamaica. So I can change the text. I can also change the color font from here by clicking up here, and you can change it to whatever color you want. You gotta highlight it. Sorry, gotta highlight it. And then change the font. And and it changed the font. There's also other effects. You can change, I'm sorry, the font here, that was the color. You can change the font by pressing up here. There's hundreds of, I think there's over 1,000 fonts that they have that you can use. Different.
Wow, that's neat.
Yeah, they have so many different fonts. You can make it bigger, can make it smaller.
And is
You
that
know,
only with the pro service or is that with the free service?
both. So with the free service, if you can see, the ones that don't have a little crown are free. The ones that have a crown, it'll tell you if you hover over it that if you don't have a paid version, then it'll tell you that you have to pay for it. But if not, the ones that don't have a crown, see how it's too big here? You're gonna open it.
That's
All different types
cool.
of fonts that you can use. There's also, if you want to make effects, so there's also different ways that you can kind of make it pop even more. So what you'll do is we're going to still use Jamaica, and we're going to go here to effects and see how there's different styles that we can do. We can do a shadow. We can do it lift. We can make it hollow. There's all different types of things that you can do with the font. You can even curve it. So it's basically, kind of playing with it and seeing what you like. See, that has a background. You can put it back. And then you can also change the color of the background. You can change it to whatever color we want.
Oh,
There's even outlines. They see how the outline, you can even change the color of the outline. And this is just basic stuff. This is just basic. So anybody have any questions so far?
mm-mm.
Okay. So you see this little clip art here? You're also able to edit this clip art and change the color. So let's say I want it pink too. I want it blue. Whatever color I want. And then we can also take it a step further by editing the image. You can, is it this one? No, it's a different type of image. I'm sorry, I'm going too far. But let's say you don't like this clip art and you want to add something else. So let's say you want to add an element. You'll come to this side here and you'll go to element. And let's say, see how there's already graphics here, but we can also put travel. You guys give me something. Give me something to put on here.
What about like a boat or
Okay, so I could put boat. So there's graphics, there's photos, there's videos, there's frames, there's different types of things for you to be able to do. Shapes, photos. Photos has realistic photos. Could put a boat here.
Oh.
Make it smaller, make it bigger. Could delete this one and then put the boat right here. I can even, let's say I don't like this background. See, this has a layer background. So say I don't want this and I want to change it. You can go to graphics if you want something cartoon-like. There's even animated ones that you can use. Basically, anything you kind of want to put on your picture, whatever you want to create, you can. Now, let's say I want to make another page. I want to do this one. I like this, but I want to change something or add something to it, but I don't want to continue to change this one right here. You can duplicate this page without having to do it again. How you do that is right here. You press duplicate and it duplicates the page. Now I can do whatever I want. I want to change the colors. If I want to add the boat on this one, I can even add my logo.
Yeah. I love that, Jazzy Dream.
So I can also add my logo. If you guys have logos, I can show you how to create your logo to where it's the background is clear and you can be able to post it on put it on all your videos, all of
Yeah,
your posts.
I would like to
That's
know
what I
that.
do.
I definitely need that because sometimes my the white background that I have, it disappears and then you can't really see my logo. So I'm like, I must be doing something wrong.
So the
It
logos
could
can
be.
be
It does
created
depend.
on Canva as well.
It depends on how your logo is. So like this one is just my other logo when I first started. I had a background like this. And then I also have in my uploads, I do this a lot. I do other people's logos too. I have my logo without a background. So I can put it on a picture if I want. And it doesn't have to be, you know what I mean? I can also make this transparent to where it looks like a watermark. So in order for me to do that here, you go to right here where it says transparency, you click it, and I can make it lighter. And I can make it just like put it here. You know how people have watermarks? Now it's always there. It's light. You can still see the picture, but you also see my
Okay,
logo.
one more time. Okay, so one more time how you did it that way.
So you go right here where it says transparency.
Okay.
You'll click it.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Oh, got it. Thank you.
No
And to
problem.
start out on creating the logo, we can go in that search toolbar and just type in logos to start
Yes,
kind of
ma'am.
creating something different.
Yep. So let's go here. You can go logo. Oops. Oh, come on. Logo. Look at all the different logos it kind of makes, and you can kind of get an idea of what you like. Let's say you like this, you can change it up. Say you like this, you can change it up. Um, let's see.
Oh, wow,
Like
that's
this is,
great. Mine is kind of outdated, so that's great.
yeah, you could definitely like choose anything. It could be simple as, look, this one is a name. You know what I mean? This is very simple. It can be, this one is for a travel agency. Look, even when you click on stuff, look, you see how it gives you different templates to work with. And then you just play with it basically. You go in here, let's say, let's customize this one. So let's say, see how these are different elements. So basically what you're looking for and what you're searching for, whatever type of pictures, shapes that you want, you can just click it, put it here, and it'll generate for you. It'll give you different pictures. It'll give you different shapes. This is a shape. You can change the shape, the colors, whatever you basically want to do. Delete this. I'm trying to see where I was going to be going with this as well. I want to show you guys some things that I've made on my projects, so I can kind of go over that. Maybe that'd be easier. Today, I was playing around with some stuff, and I don't know if you guys looked at my video, but I made this today.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
And I did it with a video, and I can show you guys how I did it. Questions?
Do you have
Somebody
a paid
said
account?
something?
Is yours a paid account?
Yes. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting that some of you guys don't have. I'm so sorry. I'm going way ahead of myself. Okay, so I want to show you guys how you guys can do content creation and batching. I learned this and it's helped me. You know how we go on ChatGPT and we ask ChatGPT to make us some posts? Well, with Canva, it's really simple for us to make bulk posts. So we're gonna go, Canva also has what's called Magic Write, which is kind of like a ChatGPT. And when you go back,
You froze. Oh.
this is the home page, and you can either go by going here to documents or clicking up here to documents. So when you click here to documents, it pulls this up and I'm able to type something. So I will press this here, press Magic Write, and I'll put 10 travel tips for summer. Generate. And there it goes. Summer is perfect to pack your bags and hit the road. You're heading to the beach, the mountains, or bustling city. Blase squaze. Here are 10 tips to keep in mind. See how these are 10 tips? We can turn this into a series. So you can post something every day of this week of a series of different, or every week, whatever you want to do. And how you would do it is that you come here to apps, and then it'll say bulk create. So you put bulk create. Hold on, sorry. I gotta make a blank one. Sorry. So this is basically for you to find out for your AI. Then you'll go to the home stage and you have to go to social media post. You'll click on social media posts. These are the different type of templates that you can do. They have a regular one for you to edit your photo. This is specifically for like Instagram posts. It makes your creation perfect for Instagram. This one is a Facebook post. This one is perfect for Instagram stories, WhatsApp status, so on and so forth. There's thumbnails. You just have to kind of go through it and basically pick what you want to do. So we're going to be doing Instagram or Facebook, doesn't matter. So when this pops up here, the design portion is going to open up, and it has a whole bunch of different templates that you're able to use. You can choose whichever template you like. We can do, since we're doing summer and then we're talking about hitting the road, we can try this one. So you see how I clicked over here and it says Magic Write? You can also click Magic Write and you can put, ask the questions and it'll also populate on here as well, how we did before. So back to content bulking. So we'll go back to our apps. We'll go down here where it says bulk creation. Now we can either enter it manually or upload a CSV, which is a certain file that you can save on either Excel or even Google Docs. So for our sake, let's do Google Docs. So I'm going to copy here. Go to Google Docs, paste it. I'm going to save this. Where is it? I did it earlier. Why is it not doing it right now?
I think all you have to do is change the untitled document to a name and it automatically saves it.
Yeah, but I have to save it as a, was it here or did I do, oh, I think I did it on Excel. That's probably what it was. I think I did it on Excel. Okay, so this one, save to drive. This is slightly embarrassing right now. Okay, here it goes.
Oh,
Okay.
don't be embarrassed.
Yeah.
We're all trying to figure this out too, so don't even worry about it.
No, the funny thing is I did it earlier.
Yeah, I tried this a couple times and I always miss a step or two. And I'm like, oh, what did I miss? So
I was like, I did it earlier. I know I did it earlier because I was doing it. I was like, I had to brush up and make sure that I was brushing up for you guys. You know what I mean? Download. Okay. Yeah, download as a S. No, it's not here. It's on the thing. Oops, what did I just do? And go back to Canva where I was. We're going to enter it manually. So here, we basically don't need this table right here because we only need one. So we're going to delete this, delete the whole column. And then here, clear table, and we're going to add text. So I just pasted the text. Then I'm going to press done. Then after I press done, you're going to go click here, magic right, and you're going to put, oh, it's supposed to do it, hold on. Okay, add to image, no. Done. There we go. So, hold on. This is not working for me right now. This is not right. Let me do it the other way. I know. Where's my Excel? No, don't show again. Close. Open. Hold on, you guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Settings. There we go. Sorry, you guys. Okay, I found it. So it's Google. What did I do? I did Google Sheets. Okay, that's what it was. Google Sheets. Then you come here. You go to File, Download as .csv. Okay, .csv. Once you save that, that's when you're gonna bring this. You're gonna come back to your Canva. This one. I'm gonna go back. We're gonna upload the CSV. Upload. Right click the element and connect to the page. Right click. And right here, you see where it says let's delete this one. Delete. So right click and you see where it says connect data. You'll press connect data. I'm supposed to. It is not doing it for me. That's how it's supposed to go, but it's not doing it right now for some reason. I don't know what's going on with it today. I was just doing it earlier. So I'm sorry, you guys. Please forgive me. Do you guys have any questions so far, or maybe something that you had before that you were kind of confused about?
No, that at least brought me back to here. I've tried it before, and I have Apple products, so it's a little harder for me to do the upload into CSV. But I forgot that I had my Google Sheets. I could just do it that way. I forgot all about that, so
Right. And it's
I
just
can
like,
start to
I
do it.
don't know what's going on
Yeah,
with it.
I accidentally did it by by an accident, um, so I can't even recall what the heck I did. I have to do it again to see exactly where the disconnect was in your process. But yeah.
Those.
No, this is great, Jazzie. I haven't even ever worked on this, so I'm looking forward to go in and start playing on it. I took a lot of notes. We're breaking up. Uh-oh, froze.
Yeah, we're breaking up really bad. Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
Mhm,
I can hear
yes.
you.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. As you can see, I make a lot of stuff. You can make business cards. See, I've made these banners. I've made these. I made this right here, basically that shows my face and it has my phone number and everything. I paste this on every one of my flyers as well. Trying to find the summertime hacks. See, when I did do it and it finally connected, if you guys can see, it's like I have so many different ones. It created like 50 of them. And all it did was kept the same exact thing and just changed this. And every single one has a different hack. And it's supposed to create this for you guys. I'm gonna look over the video again or send it to you guys so you guys can see the one that I learned it from. And this would help a lot. It's very fast. You can upload your own pictures if you guys don't already know. And also with the videos, the same thing. You can remove backgrounds if you have a paid version. There's a lot of things that you can do with the paid version that you can't do with the free version. It's all really up to you and how much you will use it. I use this every day for all of my posts. I create videos, I do everything on here. Logos, brochures, anything, the this and that post, all different type of things that I've created. And it's very simple. You just get a template, pick one that you like. See, this is the one that I um,
You froze at my end.
and my computer's using. Hello? Am I still freezing? Are you guys okay?
No, you're okay now.
Hello? Okay. So, any questions?
No, it just reminds me that I need to get into Canva again and really start playing with it. I'm paying for a so-called social media person who I'm not the happiest with. And so this just reminds me that I can do it on my own and save my dollars. Uh,
Yeah.
so, yeah.
Yep. You can make your videos. I made so many videos, so many things with my pictures and everything. See? All different things. I put my logo up here. you know, just brand yourself. There's so many things that you could do with it. So I apologize again. I really wanted to show you guys that because that was the main thing I wanted to show you guys. And I don't know why it's not working.
No, it's
Sometimes
okay.
Canva can
I
be
think
finicky.
I had the gist of it to get all the way up to the magic right part. So, and I do
There's
recall,
also a lot of AI stuff.
yeah, like I said, I've done it before. It was just only once, and I think I accidentally did it and couldn't even remember what the heck I did. so, so at least now I know how to get up to that point. But thank you, I really appreciate it.
Yes,
No
Jazzie,
problem.
thank